Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a blog post in WordPress. So if you want to create a blog post to your, or you want to add a blog post to your website in WordPress, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is click on the page. So from this page you can decide where exactly you want to create a blog post on your website. So actually in this page I only have about 3 pages of website. So here's page 1, page 2, page 3. So I'll just simply add a page to the about page this website. So I'm going to create a blog post. So right now this the website is trying to switch back to the editor's mode. This is the editor's mode of this particular website, which is about. So for me to be able to create a post, which is a blog post, I have to locate the exact place I want to create the blog. I want to create the blog, so I just tap in the available space. So you can see type / to choose a blog. So for me to be able to choose a blog, so I'll have to click on this plus icon. Then from there, tap on or click on browse all, then scroll all the way down under widget. This is the widget, so scroll a little bit down, then this is it right here, blog post. So just tap on the blog post, then from here you can simply add the blog post. These are the available blog posts. You can see Xbox controller. Then next one is about the Twitter, then Xbox controller. So if you have a new blog post, or probably you have a new blog post, you can simply edit it from here. You can edit, and also you can also drag this as well. Drag it to anywhere you want. You can use this button. You can use this button to adjust it. It's pretty cool, as you can see. So this is it right here. So from here, just to add a couple of information you want, and if it feels like it is okay, then you can just simply go back without doing anything. So once you're done, just tap on save. Then your blog post has been successfully created, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.